It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. First thing first, maybe if you haven't checked on this one for a couple days or so and you're looking over here, wow, it's now up at $5 a share. A reverse split happened, or in other words, there was a change in the share structure. So everything changed proportionately. So even the past times I've done the chart, all the patterns and stuff do change in proportion with the price. But no, there's not like this thing had a massive gap up or anything. This is just, I've lost count of the number of times DRYS has done reverse splits. To be honest, I didn't know it was illegal to do it this many times in such a short amount of time, but I guess you can just keep on doing it. So, and the way things unfold today, things have not gotten any better. I'll just leave it at that. So what do I mean by things have not gotten any better? Well, I mean, the price did actually, after the gap down, made a nice size move up here. But then after that, it was essentially DYRS right back to acting its normal way as the price just continued to get hammered, further and further down the remainder of the day. So, maybe this time around will be different, but if, past history is any indicator, I would not, go grab your kid's college tuition fund and throw it, into the stock. So let's talk about some areas of support, then we'll talk areas of resistance. First area of support to keep an eye on, and to give credit where credit's due, did do a good job of holding strong today, is down here at the $5.20 mark. You can see here, let me adjust that a little bit more. But looking back here through the history of the chart, you can see that, this level here had quite a bit of price history of acting as support. And then once again today on a few different occasions, bears try to press down through there, but the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. So $5.20, definitely that current key area of support. In the event the price cannot hold above there, then from a technical perspective, next level of support going to be down here around the $4.60 area. So let me just move that line down there a tad bit more, but you get the point. Right down here around 460 is where that next key level is going to be. Now, I'm not saying that in the event the price breaks down through 520 that within 2 seconds the price is going to be down there or anything like that. But technically speaking, yeah, the next level of support would be considered down around 460. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, all about the purple line right here, the 50-period simple moving average. And the really easy way to kind of judge the strength or lack thereof of the bears is as long as the price is below that purple line going forward, bears are in full strength, bulls or bears are in full health, however you can best visualize that. So purple line there, use that as the gauge for the bears. And like I said, as long as the price is below it, bears are in full control. So we'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.